I don't know where this is going, but I just speak what comes to me. And there's kind of a magical, I think I say magical because it has that quality that it's not just spiritual energy, it's got this connection to the earth, and those same energies that we're feeling in ourselves are magically coming up from the earth and interacting with us as well as the divine ones. And excuse me, I don't know the teaching, but I think it will just transpire as we go along, whatever the chemistry, whatever it is that's happening in these webinars is allowing this intelligence to come through. And I've never experienced it. I've always had strong energy and strong kundalini and strong experiences, but I've never had experiences like what goes on in this webinar. It's just the total depth of the alternative reality, as if we are kind of living in a dream and there's this whole other healing and energetic reality that goes on. And as it goes through the brain, we can't think, we can't have the same mind patterns. I think Earth is just communicating so strongly, and we're going willingly. I can't help but think there's just some massive change going to happen, and it's good to go down that route willingly and early. Because it gives you, if you get lost or a bit behind, it gives you time to make up. I wouldn't like to think what this would be like as a last minute thing. So, there is some teaching coming from the planet and to us that I can't even speak about, because it takes my brain out, it takes my intellect out when I'm speaking about it. So it can't really be described. But my feeling is that we can deeply heal ourselves. The word is transcend, that we can transcend our karma. There is working on stuff, but there's a level, if you're willing, you can just go beyond that level, that it can clear. You move on to a different level, and that karma no longer exists in the same way. And I'm kind of hoping we can live long, healthy lives and beneficial lives. We can bring in a whole new form of healing. Because I don't know, well, holographic breathing does stand alone. It doesn't seem to have done before. this energy is very similar to Tibetan pulsing, and maybe it's come from the energies behind Tibetan pulsing, but it's saying no, it's different. It's got that in it, something to do, but it's the energies are more whole. It's part of something bigger and wholer.